So I checked out the Vinacore portable heater to see if it actually worth buying, and here's the honest truth. Vinacore portable heater is marketed as a compact 1500 watt device that provides instant warmth, energy efficient heating, and silent operation for personal spaces. Here's what I'd found during testing. After reviewing what people are saying online and watching hands-on reviews, this heater doesn't live up to bold marketing claims. Several reviewers question its ability to heat a whole room quickly. Many say it only warms a small area or raises temperature by a few degrees over time. There is no official manufacturer spec sheets or trusted test results readily available, and most review videos are from unverified online creators. Claims like instant room heating and silent operation feels exaggerated based on user commentary. Positive things about it is its compact, lightweight design and easy to move. Looks like a typical personal space heater you'd use near a desk or small area. But the problems and red flags is many reviewers says it doesn't heat big spaces quickly and may just provide gentle warmth. Silent operation claims are doubtful because small heaters always produce fan noise. Unclear warranty or customer support information on product pages. The Vinacore portable heater might be okay as a small personal heater, but it doesn't deliver on big space heating promises. If you want reliable heating for a whole room, consider products from trusted brands with verified performance. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.